Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing Paul Care. And we're gonna tap to start. Okay, so he has a lot of roses on his foot. Let's try cleaning his foot. Okay. See, now his foot is all clean. His paw is all clean. Okay, I'm gonna lose it. Okay, so I don't want to vacuum him. Okay, I have 376. So I think I'm gonna buy a few decors. Decor number 2. Now frame. Okay. Emerald. Oh my god, I love cats. They're my favorite animal. My favorite pet. Oh my god, look at these cockroaches. Now let me scoop you, scoop you, scoop you. Okay. Now next. Okay, I don't even know what that is. Okay, the poor camel. I can't do anything because we need to close the door. Oh my god, look at this. Cheetah or a tiger. I'm not sure which it is, but either a cheetah or a tiger. Look at there. Back. What's that? Newspapers? Why would we need newspapers? These aren't animals. Wait, what? That's why we need newspapers? Wait, what? Oh. God, that's disgusting. I don't know what they are, but it's disgusting. We need newspapers for that. Okay. Next. What's this? An X-ray scanner. Lose it. And literally give us a scanner. Okay. Okay. Now look, his paws all nice and nice. He's a good boy. Okay. Let's see. Wonderful. I don't know what that is. But here's something. Here's something. Okay. Okay, so I got a sink and my vet is starting to look super professional. So you want a bone there. Now draft peel. The bowl is completed. I don't know what that is. I want to save her, but we need a lot of money. Okay, now I'm going to be drilling, so because his foot was not nice. Chopsticks? What would we need chopstick for? Oh my god. Imagine how much that hurts. Shouldn't we put some cream on that cat? Puppy tones. What's that? I don't know what that is. Oh god. Oh my god. Get off. Bandage. Oh my god. I love, bandages are probably my favorite too. Oh my god. What's wrong with that little guy? We need a plaster on there. Okay. Okay, so now, that's the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.